Want to turn your Surface Pro into a desktop powerhouse? Connecting it to a docking station is the key. As of 2025, the process is streamlined, especially with Microsoft's Surface Dock 3 and newer Surface Pro models. These docks use either a Surface Connect port or USB-C Thunderbolt, delivering power, data, and video through a single cable. The core concept is dock-based expansion. Start by plugging the dock into a power outlet. Then connect it to your Surface Pro using the appropriate port. Your Surface Pro should automatically detect the dock. Once connected to the docking station, plug in your peripherals. Connect your monitors using HDMI or DisplayPort cables. Attach USB devices like keyboards and mice. Plug in Ethernet for wired internet. And connect audio devices. If the display doesn't extend automatically, press the Windows key plus P to open the projection menu and select Extend to use multiple monitors. Check the device manager for any connection errors. Open it by searching in the Start menu and look for devices with yellow warning icons that might indicate driver issues. If issues persist, restart your Surface Pro and ensure Windows is up to date. Use genuine Microsoft Docs and install the latest Surface app. For further help, update drivers through Windows Update or check Microsoft's support forums. The Surface app includes diagnostics to assist with troubleshooting.